Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here. I wanted to point out a case study over on our site. Robert Humphreys, president of Humphreys University, told us about their transition to using Populi. They had an expensive piece of software that was fully customizable, but in order to implement those customizations, incurred its own expense. So they were looking for something more affordable. They found Populi. The first thing that Robert noticed about Populi was that its user friendliness, he believed, would make it easy for his staff to adopt the software. They would get on board quickly that way. Robert also found, as they used the software more, that Populi did more out of the box than their previous software did. So Populi didn't require as many customizations. One of the big things was, and I love this, Robert, when he went to print out 1098Ts from Populi for the first time, almost cried. Populi is getting in there, affecting human emotions, get them right in the heart. The biggest hurdle for Robert and his team at Humphreys University adopting Populi as their student information system is that Populi doesn't have a full accounting system on board. For instance, you can't do payroll for your whole school from within Populi. However, Populi does provide all the financial information that they need easily exportable so that they can work with a third party to get that all done. And they still, Robert estimates, were able to save over 50% in their student information system costs. So if you want to find out more about that case study, you can go to our site, populi.co, and click on customers, and you should be able to find that article there. And if you're not currently a Populi user, you'll look in the upper right-hand corner and see that Get a Demo button. You can click that to find out more. Thanks.